More than 1.5 million Americans have a stroke or heart attack every year. That's according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Our cells rely on oxygen to exchange gases in the body, but during a stroke or heart attack, blood cells can't deliver oxygen where it needs to go. That's where NuvOx Pharma comes in. The Tucson scientists developed NVX 108, a drug that helps deliver life-saving oxygen to damaged tissues.
You've got a drug that won't dissolve in the blood because it's very oil-like. So to get it into the blood, you make these tiny, tiny little spherical balls of the drug surrounded by a surfactant that will let it stay in the bloodstream at that small size, and then it will distribute through the body.
Once the drug is injected, it travels through the blood to the capillaries. NuvOx says it increases the amount of oxygen the blood can carry. It stays in the body for about 8 hours before it's exhaled. NuvOx sees big applications for this drug in emergency rooms, ambulances, and the battlefield. CEO Dr. Evan Unger says the drug will help reduce the long-term medical care costs of stroke.
If you take stroke, it is the single greatest cause of long-term medical care in this country. And so if you can improve outcomes in stroke to make more patients functionally independent, then that has potential to lower medical costs.
NuvOx says the drug will also result in a higher quality of life for patients.
Considering what we know about the link between mind and body, attitude and how we live our lives, if we can optimize the person's condition post-stroke, it's not only their life that's improved, it's the life of their family that's improved.
The drug is still in clinical tests, but if it gets FDA approval, it could be on the market in 3 years. Because the drug's dose is so small, the company says there are no side effects, and that could help patients breathe easier when it comes to treatment options. For Arizona Cat's Eye, I'm Michael Hernandez.